Hold up, Amazon's hiding some insane car gadgets for 2025 that'll blow your mind. From mini massagers to 4K dash cams. I've got the top. Don't skip this. Let's go. Never get stuck again with the 2025 Most All M6 Jumpstarter from Amazon, your road trip superhero. This beast pumps out a roaring 3,000 AMMs to fire up cars, trucks, SUVs, bikes or boats in a snap, handling gas engines up to 10L and diesel up to 8L. From tiny sedans to beefy rigs, it's got your back. Packed with 6+ safety tricks over current, over voltage, temp control, reverse polarity, and a clear LCD screen, it's foolproof for you and your ride. More than a jump starter, it's a survival champ with a blazing LED flashlight, SOS mode for night scares, and quick charge 3 USB ports to juice up phones or power 12V gear. Sleek and feather-light, it slips into your glove box, ready for action. You get a jump starter, case, cables, wall charger, USB-C, manual, and 2-year support. Just charge it every 2-3 months to keep it primed. Grab this M6 and roll with confidence, no dead battery blues. Transform your leather with the 2025 Chemical Guys Ultimate Leather Detailing Kit from Amazon. The VIP treatment your ride craves. This 9-piece powerhouse has it all to keep leather looking factory fresh. Blast away grime with the odorless leather cleaner, revive that buttery feel with vitamin E-packed leather conditioner, and keep it sleek with the quick detailer. Buff it on with microfiber applicators, and scrub tough spots with a horsehair brush. Pro results. No sweat. Not just for car seats, this kit pampers jackets, boots, couches, bags, you name it. If it's leather, it's game. A little dab goes miles, stretching your bottles for tons of uses, making this a steal for any detail junkie. From your Mustang's interior to your favorite purse, every piece smells and shines like new. Crafted for pros, this USA-made kit is your ticket to leather that wows. Grab it now and make everything luxe pop off. Unleash the fun with this 2025 dog wiper sticker from Amazon, your car's new tail-wagging buddy. Stick the 8.85x 10.63 pup on your rear window and its 1.18x 9.44 tail on the wiper for a hilarious wag that dances in the rain, no view blocked. Pick from 22 vibrant colors to jazz up your ride. Made of tough vinyl, it's waterproof, sunproof, and peels off clean with zero glue mess. Perfect for long-term grins. Slap it on cars, SUVs, trucks, laptops, fridges, or walls. Any smooth surface works. Installation's a breeze. Spray water, peel, stick, and scrape out bubbles. Got a funky wiper? Hit up the seller for a custom tail fit. From road trips to daily commutes, this sticker's a joy bomb that'll have everyone smiling, kids, neighbors, even grumpy drivers. Fix bolts like a pro with the 2025 Shigallery deburring chamfer tool from Amazon, your workshop's new MVP. Forged from ultra-tough stainless steel, this rust-proof, corrosion-busting beast is built to last a lifetime, tackling bolts, pipes, and rods with ease. It smooths jagged edges in a flash, repairing damaged bolts and tightening nuts without nicking your hands, sparking, or burning. Just clip it to your power drill, set the lowest speed, and lightly press burrs vanish, saving you from pricey hardware hunts. From stainless to plastic, it chews through steel, copper, aluminum, wood, and more, fitting bolts from 8mm to 19mm. Whether you're wrenching on cars, bikes, or home fixes, this tool's a time-saving wizard for pros and DIYers alike. Shigallery backs it with top-notch support. Not happy? They'll make it right. Grab this bad boy and make every repair a breeze. Your toolbox will thank you. Fix anything like a boss with the 2025 Amazon Basics 27-piece ratchet wrench set from Amazon, your DIY dream team. This 6.8x 3.7x 1.3 kit packs a punch for tightening or loosening bolts on fridges, ACs, TVs, washers, and more. Handling nuts from 5/32 to 15/32. With 3 slick modes, clockwise, counterclockwise, and locked, plus a free spinning base, you'll zip through jobs while keeping steady pressure, no sweat. Forged from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel with a rust-busting finish, it's tough as nails, and the comfy T-shaped grip cranks up torque without slipping. Every bit, socket, and driver slots neatly into a sturdy plastic case, so you're always ready to roll. Perfect for home tinkers or garage pros, this set's got your back with a 1-year warranty. From quick appliance fixes to big projects, it's the ultimate sidekick. Grab it now and make every turn a win. Revive your ride with the 2025 Leather and Vinyl Repair Kit from Amazon, your wallet's new best friend. This all-in-one gem fixes cuts, tears, and burns on car seats, dashboards, motorcycle saddles, RV upholstery, even furniture, making them look showroom sharp. With 7 mixable color compounds and a guide to nail the perfect shade, plus textured grain papers to match any pattern from rough to silky, you're set for pro-level patches. The kit packs adhesive, mixing cups, an applicator, a heat tool, and clear instructions, no guesswork needed. It's a cheap fix for small damage that boosts your car's vibe and value in a snap. From center consoles to vinyl tops, it works on tons of surfaces, saving you from pricey replacements. 3 kits per case mean you're loaded for multiple jobs. Whether you're sprucing up a sedan or a sofa, this kit's a game changer. Grab it now and make every surface pop like new. Doing back on the road with the 2025 ZGZUXO tire inflator from Amazon, your pocket-sized powerhouse. This beast pumps a 195/55/R15 tire from 29-36 psi in just 2 minutes, thanks to a slick metal motor, perfect for quick fixes before commutes or epic road trips. Cars, bikes, balls, it inflates them all with ease. Its beefy battery tackles 4 tires per charge and doubles as a power bank to keep your phone juiced on adventures. Set it and forget it, with a digital gauge and LCD that auto-stops at your PSI, keeping tires safe and you stress-free. Nighttime flats? No prob. A backlit screen and LED flashlight have you covered. At 2.2 liters, it's tough yet tiny, slipping into glove boxes or bike bags like a dream. With a memory-saving custom mode, it's a breeze for newbies or pros. Ditch gas station lines and bulky pumps, grab this sleek lifesaver and roll with confidence anywhere. Crank your tunes anywhere with the 2025 aux adapter for Honda/Acura from Amazon. Your car's music game changer. Ditch boring CDs and plug your phone or MP3 player into this 3.5 mm aux to vibe with playlists or audiobooks on the go. It fits like a glove for Accord, Civic, CR-V, Pilot, Fit, Odyssey and more, plus Acura CSX, TSX and RDX.OnDex-R. Even Bluetooth receivers work with it. Just grab a conversion cable if your phone skips the 3.5 mm port. Pop it into the CD changer slot behind your radio in minutes, adjust the volume on the dash but skip song controls. There, your phone's got that. Pro tip: don't charge while playing to keep the sound crisp. From road trips to commutes, this adapter's your ticket to non-stop jams. Grab it and let your Honda sing. Take charge of your ride with the 2025 Nexus NL111 OBD2 scanner from Amazon, the ultimate gearhead sidekick. This Pocket Pro zips through 10 OBD2 modes to sniff out engine codes, peek at live data, and freeze frames, with a DTC library to crack why your check engine light's nagging. Fix the issue? Clear codes in a snap and breeze through smog tests with I/M readiness. Plus, it's a battery guru checking 6V/12V health in seconds to ensure your car starts strong and your alternator's not slacking. It plays nice with 99% of cars US Post 1000, 996, Euro Post 2002, Asian Post 2006. From sedans to pickups. Plug and play, no charging needed with a crisp 2.4 color screen showing engine vitals like RPM and fuel pressure in graphs or text. No subscriptions, free lifetime updates via USB, and a $19.99 protective case. Keep it budget friendly. For newbies or pros, this scanner's a lifesaver. Grab it and keep your wheels humming. Blast away grime with the 2025 car steam cleaner from Amazon, your ride's ticket to sparkling clean. This powerhouse unleashes 212 DGF steam to melt dirt, grease and stains, leaving your car's leather carpets, dashboard and windows spotless. No chemicals needed. It's a multi-tool hero, tackling upholstery or doubling as a home cleaner for counters and more. With a handy carry handle, you can lug this bad boy anywhere to zap messes in a snap. Packed with 12 accessories, brushes, nozzles, attachments, it makes filth vanish like magic. Just pop on a tool, pour in 40 farts of distilled water and fire it up. An orange light signals when it's ready to steamroll grime, flickering as it powers up again mid-clean. From SUVs to sedans, it's a breeze for pros or newbies, keeping your whip fresh inside and out. Grab this steam wizard and make your car and home shine like they just rolled off the lot. Fuel up like a pro with the 2025 Flexible Spout Fuel Can from Amazon, your go-to for hassle-free refills. This champ makes topping off cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, vans, RVs or boats a breeze, handling gas, diesel, kerosene, engine oil, coolant or water with zero fuss. Its detachable bendy spout snakes into tight spots so you never miss a drop, while the wide neck and broad spout let you pour fast without spills. No more messy hands or wasted fuel. From quick pit stops to long hauls, it's a lifesaver for road warriors and weekend adventurers alike. Built tough to last, it's ready for any job, big or small. Got questions? The seller's crew is just a ping away to sort you out. Whether you're gassing up a sedan for the daily grind or prepping a boat for the lake, this can's your ticket to smooth, speedy refills. Grab it now and keep your rides rolling strong.